partners I've met, I think most of you actually, 2 months back, when we were at Power Plant 3 Damansara, when we first kickstart our 2022 Tiger Street Food campaign with a hot and spicy street food hunt. And back then, right, is where we rally all foodies to basically go on the hunt, travel around Malaysia, go around and recommend, hunt for the hottest street food in Malaysia. And also contribute by dropping pins on our website. So fast forward to today, after weeks of hunting for the hottest street food, and finally what we have gotten today is a directory with all the best street food locations around the country on the directory. And really, it's good that finally all the other fellow foodies can finally try, explore, all the best local street food spots that you have recommended. And today, we have approximately 1,000 pins dropped on our website with over 9,000 engagement in terms of like, share, and reviews. Yes, we were also very overwhelmed by the support. Can we just give, everyone, the foodie out there or here who have contributed to the directory a big round of applause. And here we are today to celebrate all the efforts from all our fans with a festival filled with curated experiences and very unique street food dishes. And so, what next? You might be asking, you might be curious, right? What are we going to do with this, masterpiece directory that we have created together with our fans over the past 2 months? So, here today, I have something amazing to share with you, to update everyone here. We are about to unveil Tiger Stripes. What is Tiger Stripes? Basically, it's a long-term project to reward deserving street food vendors with a recognition for their craftsmanship, for their unique street food flavors. And Tiger Stripes Award is not like any other awards out there in the food industry. Basically, it is recommended by the people for the people, all of whom have shared the same passion for local street food. Okay, so what will happen next? Basically, this is how your contribution and your pins drop will come to place. We are going to leverage on the hottest street food hunt directory that we have gathered over the past 2 months, and we were going to shortlist the top 100 pins. And then what will happen next is that a panel of judges consists of restaurateurs, chefs, food personality will be going around to sample and evaluate all these street food spots that have been shortlisted. And the whole process will be carried out meticulously over a few months, and the results and announcement of the final award recipient will be announced in third quarter 2023. So it's really very exciting. Many exciting things will happen, okay? And at the moment, we are now, the rain is so strong. Okay, I'm going to speak louder. Basically, at the moment, we are now in the midst of gathering a strong panel of judges, and we will announce the list of judges in January next year. Okay? So with that, I would just like to wish you a wonderful night in the festival today. Please enjoy and sample all the innovative and also authentic street food that you can gather today. And we have a lot of amazing activities happening. There are all 4 areas for you to explore. So please enjoy yourself, have a great night, enjoy the food, and cheers to Tiger Beer. Thank you so much.
We would like to invite the management team of
讲啊？啊？紅色衫係拉麵嘅。哦，講啦。